Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Dodge Journey versus Toyota RAV4 full comparison. I will start with a focused overview of what distinguishes each model and why those differences matter. Listen for concise notes on engine options, interior layout, cargo space, and fuel economy so you can match features to your needs. I'll point out trade-offs in comfort, safety, and ownership costs to guide a practical decision. We'll compare engines, transmissions, and on-road behavior to show real-world differences. Expect notes on acceleration, ride comfort, and how each vehicle handles corners and bumps. I'll cover fuel numbers and typical driving impressions so you can weigh performance against economy. Pay attention to towing capability, available all-wheel drive, and brake feel to understand which model suits your driving style and priorities. Quick recommendation and a small pause. If you're finding this comparison helpful, please subscribe and like the video. On another note, I use leak-proof meal prep containers that make packing lunches for road trips or daily work easy and spill-free, which pairs nicely with either SUV. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that sounds useful, consider grabbing a set. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we'll examine cabin space, seating comfort, and cargo flexibility to see which SUV fits your life. I'll discuss reliability trends, typical repair considerations, and what that means for maintenance bills over time. We'll also compare resale expectations and warranty coverage so you can estimate long-term cost. These practical factors often matter more than headline specs when choosing a vehicle you'll own for years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.